Video illustrates the installation of a cut-in vehicle loop. This type of loop can be installed in concrete or asphalt. You can use a standard circular saw with an 1/8 inch wide diamond blade. Start by finding the center of the driveway. Mark the end of the loop off of the center mark. It would be 3 feet from the center if your loop is 6 feet long. For driveways 12 to 14 feet wide, use a 6 foot by 4 foot loop. Driveways that are 16 to 18 feet wide, use an 8 foot by 4 foot loop. Measure the width of the loop. It is typically 4 feet. Use a square to mark the sides. Commonly, safety loops are kept 3 feet away from the gate. Most loops are 6 to 10 feet across and 4 feet wide. If the loop width exceeds 4 feet, it should be kept 4 feet away from the gate. Set the diamond blade depth to 1 inch. Make your cuts. You can use the saw motor's fan to blow off the dust to see the line better. Start your corner cuts with the blade centered over the slot. Make an extra cut by the lead-off slot that goes to the edge of the road for the wire return. Set the blade to full depth for where the slot runs off the road and cut the last few inches deeper. Broom the dust to the side. Do not sweep the dust away, you will use it later. Clean the slot of any small debris. For the safety loop, measure off enough wire to get from the operator to the loop. Place a wedge in the slot to hold the wire in place. Measure out enough wire for 1 turn at a time. There are typically 3 turns to most vehicle loops. 2 safety loops can be connected to 1 loop detector. The loops must be connected in series. Use a dull edge tool to lay the wire in the slot. Do not use ordinary wire. Loop wire has an XLPE insulation that resists moisture, petroleum products, and alkaline substances which are found in asphalt and concrete. On the 3rd turn, the wire will be directed through the extra crossover slot that was cut earlier in the lead-off slot. Pull both leads parallel to each other. Cut the wire evenly with each other and use an electric drill to twist the leads. Use Q-Seal loop sealant to seal the wires. Bring 1/2 inch conduit to the edge of the road. Pull the wire to the operator pad. Seal the conduit end with asphalt cement or Q-Seal. Sweep dust onto the sealant. This will make the sealant blend and prevent the sealant from getting on your shoes and making a mess. Pour concrete over the conduit inlet. That was how a safety loop is terminated.